Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. Here we have our 2018 Honda Civic Coupe. And if you're ever tired of searching for that car to be sensible and economical, but you still want a little bit of an attitude, this is the car. That's right. This is a one-owner car, extremely low miles. You can see it is the LX, but you are going to get your premium alloy wheels. The tires are in very good condition. So you're going to have an aftermarket wing there that the customer put on to give it that little bit of attitude. Of course, you got your tinted windows, look really good. You do have an aftermarket exhaust, which sounds awesome. Then in the trunk here, you see you're going to have your backup camera right there. So you're going to have lots of space here. That's one good thing with the coupe. You do have ample space. You have a 60-40 split folding rear seat with quick releases right there, so you can drop that seat without dropping inside. And inside here you can see you're going to have plenty of room in there for two passengers. And up front here you have all of your power options, trunk release, height adjustable seat. This one does have your side impact airbags. You do have traction control. You're going to get your duplicate audio controls, Bluetooth, which is going to stream to your premium audio system with backup camera, brake hold feature, which is awesome. It's going to hold it so you don't have to step on the brake at a stoplight when the light turns green. As soon as you step on that gas pedal, it'll let go of the brake for you. Very convenient. Active Econ mode, going to help you maximize your fuel economy. Nice center console for plenty of storage. Cruise control. And again, Civic is legendary on their durability. I don't have to sell you on their durability because you already know they are some of the most durable cars you're ever going to find. This one only has 22,000 miles, so it's going to have tons of factory warranty. We have no processing fees. That is almost impossible to find. Most places have fees, and ridiculous fees. We have no fees here at City Motors. You're not going to get feed to death. Do not pay stupid fees. You can call us at 540-433-7335. You can text us 24/7 at that same number. Do not miss us when it's as close to new as you're going to find. A little bit of attitude, a little bit of spunk, and an awesome car. We hope to see you soon. Thanks for stopping by.